Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thinking about starting a dropshipping business in 2025, Wix makes it easier than ever, even if you are a complete beginner. In this tutorial, I will walk you through setting up your Wix store, connecting a dropshipping supplier, customizing your website, and making your first sales, all without needing to hold any inventory. Let's get started. First of all, head over to wix.com and create a free account. You can sign up using your Google, Facebook, or email. Once inside, click here and click create new site and choose online store from here. Will Wix give you two options: Wix ADI, an AI powered builder that creates your site automatically, or Wix Editor, a fully customizable drag and drop builder. For dropshipping, I recommend Wix Editor as it gives you more control over product, pages, branding, and SEO. Click Setup without chat. Now choose Online Store, then Continue. Now click Skip, or you can customize your store name, online presence, product, or sales channels from here. Wix integrates directly with Modalist, a dropshipping platform that connects you to suppliers from the US, Europe, and worldwide. To add it, go to the Wix app market from your dashboard. Go to app market from app section. Now search here Modalist dropshipping. Click on it. You can also search Spocket if available in your region. Click Add to Site and connect your site from here. Enter your store name and add your location, then click Next. Browse products in your niche, whether it's fashion, gadgets, beauty, or home decor, and click Add to Store. Wix will automatically sync product titles, descriptions, images, and pricing into your online shop. So finish the whole process, like add product from AliExpress or Alibaba. Now click go to Wix. Now it's time to make your store look professional inside the Wix editor. Edit product titles to make them more SEO friendly. Choose one from here like case, then start designing. You can add your design from your desktop like your logo, then follow the process. Add your price, etc. Write unique descriptions instead of using the supplier's default text. Add high quality images and lifestyle photos to build trust. Change fonts, colors, and layout to match your brand's style. Pro tip, keep your homepage clean with a clear call to action like shop now, and avoid overcrowding with too many products. Okay, explore more product. From here you can add this product. To start selling, set up payments. Go to settings from the left sidebar. Now click accept payments and connect Stripe, PayPal or Wix payment if if available from your region. For shopping settings, decide whether you will ship worldwide or just to certain countries. With Modalist, most products have transparent shipping costs, so make sure your prices cover them. You can also offer free shipping and adjust product prices accordingly to boost conversion rates. Before you launch, place a test order to make sure payments, email confirmations, and supplier syncing work perfectly. Once everything looks good, hit publish from your site editor and connected custom domain, design your website from here, etc. Promote it on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Use Wix built-in SEO tools to rank your store on Google. Dropshipping success comes from marketing, so keep experimenting with ad creatives, influencers, and product pricing. And that's it. You have set up your dropshipping store with Wix in 2025. Remember, the key is testing product, keeping your site updated, and giving your customers a great shopping experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Happy selling. Thanks for watching.